Hello and welcome to the brief guide on how to fix broken URLs in your store using the SEOKart app. From the left-hand side menu panel, go to the 404 Fixer feature. Here you'll find all the broken links in your store. You can see 3 columns here. The first column displays the broken links, the second column shows where these URLs are found, and the last one allows you to input a redirect URL to fix the broken one. There are 2 methods to fix this issue. The first is by visiting the source page from the SEO optimizer and fixing the link. The other is to redirect the broken URL to a valid web page. We recommend fixing the broken URL instead of redirecting it, as this is a SEO best practice. To apply the first method, navigate to the SEO optimizer option. Proceed to the page where the broken link is found and scroll down to the content issues. There, you will see the broken links. Click on the number and it will display the broken link and the anchor text. Click on the anchor text, input the correct link, and save. Now click on the Save All option, and out of 2, 1 issue is resolved. If you prefer the second method, go to the 404 Fixer. Here, you can see the broken URL and where it is found. You will also notice that one of the errors has been removed since we have fixed it. Now, enter the correct URL in the Redirect URL column and click on the Save button. Refresh the page and the redirection will be complete. And that's how you can fix broken URLs using the SEOKart app.